days to go before Christmas, and if you are panicking because you don't have the perfect gift for your loved ones yet, don't worry. Right about now, we'll discuss the Kababayan LA Gift Guide Part 2. We have exciting suggestions for you, starting off with this one. This is the Humio humidifier from trybest.com. The Humio is a cool mist, ultrasonic humidifier, and night lamp. What's interesting is may mist na lumalabas, tapos magagamit mo pa siyang night lamp. Maraming iba't ibang kulay ng ilaw. So if you want red, green, blue, whatever you're comfortable with, that's there for you. And this is, once again, from TriBest, the Humio humidifier gift of comfort. Also, gift of comfort, some cozy feet, some slippers or shoes for you. Starting off with this one. This is from Daniel Green. This is Daniel Green women's slippers, and it's about $65 per pair. Celebrities with these slippers include Kim Kardashian, Miley Cyrus, and Eva Longoria. DanielGreen.com. If you take a look, it's very warm, cozy. It's warm inside, and it's soft too, see? So I like that. Also, for the men in your life, you can also give them the LB Evans shoes and cozy feet or men's slippers as well. Celebrities include David Beckham, Josh Duhamel, and Ashton Kutcher. It's about $97 per pair. And what's nice is you can slide into the fin this holiday season. Designed for year-round comfort, very soft as well, and you can wear them outside or indoors. It's perfect for the men in your life. Once again, it's about $97, available at Daniel Green or lbevans.com. Also now, the gift of beauty, okay? You have friends and family members na may problema po sa skin. This is Zit Zapper. This is the gift of beauty from Claro. And what's nice about this is this is clinically proven. Claro device is a revolutionary mild acne cleansing tool utilizing intense pulsed light technology and heat to target and eliminate pesky blemishes and pimples. This is around $195 if you feel like splurging for your loved ones. Of course, you know, beauty is never cheap, and this is available at myclaro.com. Also available at Sephora and Nordstrom. So that's that, $195. And gift of safety. People are talking about this. Kailangan po talaga natin na mag-hands-free, lalo na pag gumagamit ng telepono sa kotse. And this is Earlooms for you. Earlooms makes Bluetooth ear pieces with designs and logos from over 400 different licenses, including Lady Gaga, the NBA, Paul Frank, national flags, and other fashion and entertainment designs. This is available at earlooms.com. You see here, for men or for those Hello Kitty lovers, this is good for them as well. Earlooms created the Be Aware campaign, in which they are giving away $1 million worth of Bluetooths away to help prevent driving and phone use. Alam naman natin, very po yan, dangerous po kapag hindi tayo nag-hands-free when we use the phone in the car, and that is available at www.earlooms.com. Also on the list is the gift of fashion, and take a look at this one. This is very interesting. This is for people who love jewelry. What's nice about this is pwede po siyang magpalit-palit. So may magnet po siya. So if you want to wear maybe green one day, you can use this. You can just clip it on like that. And if you want something red, this is nice too. It comes in a pack. And Magnabilities is an interchangeable jewelry line, including necklaces, bracelets, rings, and earrings, and other accessories that provide flexible interchangeability and custom design that set Magnabilities apart in the world of jewelry. So, 7 fabulous designs. Meron pong iba't ibang classes. So this is the ring. If you don't like red, you know, okay, let's magnetize po siya, so hindi nyo po kailangang only I can take this out. There you go. Okay. If you want another one, you can also wear this. There. Diba? Ang galing. And also, they don't only come in rings. Meron din po siyang necklace, and it's the same thing for the necklaces. Different designs that you can interchange whatever your mood is, or to fit whatever your mood is for the day. Yan. And speaking of jewelry, alam naman natin, diamond is a girl's best friend, but you don't have to spend too much to look like $1 million, because here we have diamond veneer. So this is available at ZirconMania.com. ZirconMania is a jewelry designer and manufacturer renowned for its high-quality jewelry. Pero tignan po natin ito. It's a diamond veneer, so it's not... This is really interesting because I'll have you look at it. It looks very real, and it's shiny as well. Take a look at that. You see? If you want to check them out, log on to ZirconMania.com, or .net rather, or also available at DiamondVeneer.com. So ZirconMania.net or DiamondVeneer.com. Here you go. And one final thing, the gift of music. You know, music sets us in the mood for Christmas. Yung pong naririnig nyo sa background natin is the gift of music, Christmas, a sweet Christmas album from Charles Siegel. So charlessiegel.com. Christmas Sweet Christmas is the ideal holiday gifts or stocking stuffer this season. The selections feature everyone's favorite holiday music played in a scintillating piano style, providing perfect atmosphere for the holiday season. And this is $12. Napakarami pong mga ideas. Once again, if you didn't catch all that, log on to our YouTube page, youtube.com/kababayanla18. We will be back more. Don't go away.